Welcome, welcome, boys. So, you seen by the thumbnail and these pictures I'm going to include now. And these are the close-ups of the smashed out rear window taken from the street where it was parked. I'd already moved my other cars after just discovering this damage. So, this is close-up with the video here, as you can see. So, it's all smashed up. Looks like it was hit on the left and right side. You know, it's really hard to tell. I didn't find any BBs when I cleaned it. So, I don't know. It's possible somebody popped it when they were driving by. What are the odds somebody have a BB gun to shoot that one car? I honestly think maybe it was one of these veterans walking by, because this road does get a lot of foot traffic from that stupid veterans place next door, and the immediate next door neighbor really doesn't like my car, and so he probably called the hit in on it, and they obliged and smashed the window. You'd see that when I was doing some work out here in the yard yesterday, cutting some trees and filling with gravel my driveway where we're going to soon have the permanent home of my garages, somebody drove by and shot the rear window out of my car with presumably some BB guns or something like that. So, the fellas finally caught up to it and destroyed it. So, here's what we're going to do. We're going to have to replace the rear window in this, so it's a good thing I wasted all that time and money doing a video and showing you how to repair your rear defogger, because now we get to put a whole new rear window in this guy. And to keep this from happening again, I actually need your help. So, they do make this, like, automotive film. Now, they make this, like, clear bra stuff people put on. And I don't know how effective that would be, but 3M makes this stuff called, like, a security film. You can put it on windows, such as tempered glass, to keep it from getting shattered, I believe. It will make it more difficult to break. And then when it does break, we don't have a big fat hole here. We might just have cracks everywhere until we can get that repaired. So, now we're going to have to up the insurance coverage again, because not only do you have to have full coverage for when uninsured fellas smash your shit, you have to have glass break protection for when fellas decide to shoot your car window out because they're really offended by your car's physical appearance. Because, heaven forbid, you allowed to exercise your First Amendment right and decorate your car the way you want. For fear of offending that guy. So, here's what we're going to do. Once this gets fixed, I need you guys to let me know. What do you think? Is anybody familiar with any sort of film that I can put on this that would make this less likely to happen next time? And who would install that, do you think? Do you think the same people that put clear bras on cars would be the same guys that would be able to fix this? Or do you think maybe the window tint people, maybe they are familiar with applying this security film? Or should I just, you know, go to the junkyard and just try to get a whole bunch of windows and just store them for whenever this happens and just do the work myself over and over and over again? I also consider maybe just selling the car to somebody else who doesn't live in the city, and then it'll be their problem. It probably won't get destroyed again if it leaves here, but if it does, like I said, it'll be their problem, not mine. Or I could remove all the decals from it and make it look like a completely different car, repaint it or something, so maybe they wouldn't know. I don't know. I haven't really figured out yet what I want to do about this, but I do know we do need to repair it. But, you know, let me know what you guys think. And I got to get to picking all this up and vacuuming it out and prepping it for the dude to come and put a new window in. So, all right. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I do need your help. So, hopefully somebody who's more familiar with this stuff than I am can recommend what should be done to prevent this from happening in the future. So I don't have to be driving my gas-guzzling E38 over there. And I can go back to driving this. So, let me know. Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.